Hey, what's up guys? Today we're gonna keep working on Krusty. Alright, I think what I'm gonna do is take these wheels off and go have the tires put on my other rims. Maybe. Some places in my area won't mess with used tires for some reason or another, but if not, we'll just get these balanced. And I gotta bleed the brakes because last time when I put these drop spindles and all on, I had problems with my brake lines, and I actually took the other side loose. If you want to go back and watch that video, I had to bend the line or whatever. But so anyways, and then I had a leak back here on this line. I just had to tighten it up and it's not leaking no more. So yeah, I just got to bleed the brakes and get the front wheels balanced, and then we can test drive it, because I haven't test drove it since I put the drop kit on it. So. Alright, I was going to load my tires up here, but I forgot I got a bed full of wood here. So I got a wood stove for heat, so there's all my wood pile. I still got to split all this, and that's what I done split so far. And here's some more. Yay! So let me go ahead and unload this. And me and Clay and Clay's girlfriend went to the drag strip last night, and I guess I'll show you a couple clips from that while I'm doing this. So while I work, y'all enjoy the video. Alright guys, I'm back with my wheels, and of course it's raining, so that kind of sucks. But I went ahead and just kept these tires on these rims and just got them rebalanced. And the reason I done that is because these are a little bit wider. You can see the lip on it there, and then these are not as wide as those. And I think these look better. So I'm just gonna put them on there, and hopefully the lug nuts are centered up, and we'll be good, hopefully. And I guess I should explain to people that's just now tuning in that don't follow my videos. These wheels I had on my OBS, and the center bore there is bigger on the OBS, so I actually widened the center bore out on these wheels, so it don't really center on the truck. So I was gonna switch these tires to those rims, because those are the rims that come off the truck, but I like these rims. So it is what it is. We just gonna try it. Screw it. I told the guy to put the weights on the inside here, and I told him my situation, that I had a lowered truck with the drop spindles, and these little clampy weights here wasn't gonna work. And I was really hoping he wouldn't put it that close to the edge, so hopefully those don't hit either. The guy seemed like he knew what I was talking about, but I guess he didn't get it. Or maybe he couldn't put them. I don't know, but we're gonna try to get these back on. And just like that, next day, I got the wheels back on there, and the weights are really close to the bottom control arm. Of course, the weights are somewhere else right there, but I'll jack it back up and let y'all see it. Alright, so here it is. There's the weights, and you probably can't even slide a piece of paper in there. They're not hitting, but it's really close. Alright guys, I got to looking at this thing, and when I drop it on the ground, I got plenty of clearance in there. But back here, I don't know if y'all can see, right here, it's almost touching on both sides. So I don't think I'm gonna have an issue with my balance weights. It's just gonna be an issue of turning, so I'm probably gonna have to grind a little more off the control arms. Alright guys, this is taking longer than I expected it to, because I gotta jack it up, grind it, take the wheels off, grind it, put the wheel back on, lower it down, see if I got enough room, jack it back up, grind it some more. About got that side done. I still got this side to do. Here's a little tip for anybody who's trying to run their 15-inch wheels with their lowering kit. Check your clearances while it's on the ground, so you don't have to do it twice like I am. Alright, so I'm gonna throw the wheels back on this thing and check it one more time to make sure we got enough clearance. As you can see, I got just enough. The front side, you can see well from the front, you know, but the back side, there's no way to get under the truck to see behind there because obviously it's too low. And what I did is just used a mirror, got under here, and of course I had a flashlight. I would show y'all, but I only got 2 hands, but you get the point. And I just moved this around till I could see the back side and make sure I had clearance back here. Alright guys, that's all I'm gonna get done today. Yesterday kind of screwed me with the rain, but we won't really know if I got enough clearance until we drive it around and check it. As of sitting right here on the flat ground, I think it's good. But hopefully next time we'll get the brakes bled and test drive this thing and see what it does. But I guess that's it for this one. Until next time, see ya.